Someone once said that you teach others how to value you by showing value to yourself. If supply is high and demand is low, price drops. But when we hold ourselves to high standards, we increase our personal market value. People treat us with more respect. Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about supply and demand. In economics, demand is how much people want a product, and supply is how much of it is available. When demand is high and supply is low, value rises. But when supply is plenty and demand is low, value decreases. So, as we understand supply and demand, may we also learn to value ourselves. Be rare, be worthy, and never lower your price. Thank you and have a great day.